forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more videos. My returnees, thank you and God bless you for always passing by. Please also do click on my second channel, which is Golden Lady TV. I'm doing different things there. You will like what you see there. Press the notification bell for more videos as well. So in today's video, we are going to be making spaghetti. Today we are making spaghetti. It's long I'm not eating what I'm going to use now. I always use the one they peel already. So this one they haven't peeled it. I'm using the spinning. We call it gamberi in Italy. You know, I always say we call it. I don't know why that thing used it master me. You know, so this is what we are going to be using for our spaghetti with Barilla. You see, I'm Italian products. You know, I love Italian products, guys. I love it. So we have tomatoes here, one big onions, and we have one fresh pepper. We have 5 tomatoes, curry powder, black pepper, garlic powder. We have salt and 1 Maggi cube. As well, we have Barilla, spaghetti Barilla, and we have our spinach. This spinach is very big, but I'm not going to use everything. Okay, guys, I'm going to be cutting it into 2. As you can see, it's very big because I'm not making a lot of spaghetti. I'm making just a little, so I'm going to cut it. It's very big, the carton. So I'm opening it and I will take from inside and keep the rest. Next time I can use the rest. So those are the things we are using to make this delicious spaghetti, guys. Please keep washing. I'm going to be cutting the tomatoes off camera, okay, and keep washing, guys. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is what I am talking about. I have to take some of them. I'm not using all of them, as I said earlier. I just remove it from the carton. If I didn't take time, I will use this thing will injure my hand, so I have to be careful of taking it. Okay, as you can see, this is the one I want to use now, so I will keep the rest. That one can serve me for next time, guys. We are going to be using to make another thing. I will show you the video as well. So we are using this for the spaghetti, for this sauce. Okay, guys, here is my spinach, and I have to remove all these black things inside. You can see I have to peel everything away, and all this I have to remove as well. This is the one I peeled already, the one I washed already. As you can see, that black is no more there, so I remove them. I have to properly wash them very well, because if you don't careful, this thing there will sand inside, so you have to be careful. Wash it properly so that you will not like to eat sand when you are eating your food. It's very important. So I will wash the rest now, then I will show you how everything came out before I make my sauce. Okay, my spinach is already properly washed, and this is my onion slicing off camera, my tomatoes. Now I will start frying my sauce. Here is my pot with my oil, my vegetable oil is inside. Feel free to use any one of your choice. I'm adding that powdered garlic because garlic is very nice for body. It's okay. And I'm adding as well black pepper, curry, use any one of your choice, the one you choose, the one you love to use. So I am using the one I love to use. So keep washing. Now I will be adding my salt. I don't want the oil to be too hot. I will add my salt on it. Okay. So the second thing I will be adding is onions. So I will let it to steam a little bit. So the second thing I will be adding now, I will be adding my tomato. Followed by my cranberry. Then I add my mango too. And black pepper. I had all the things I need to add: curry powder, black pepper, my garlic powder. So now I will be turning it. I will add a little bit of water, just a little. It's not going to be so long. I'm just cooking it for 5 minutes. I don't want to cook it so hard, if not all the ingredients will be so yeah. So I will be cooking it for just 5 minutes. Now I will be adding a little water. Yeah, it's okay. Then I will cover it for 2 minutes and I will check it back again. So keep watching, guys. Please let this video reach 10,000 views. Share it out, guys. Make me popular. Okay, my sauce is ready. I just bring the pot to the other side. Then I place my water pot here for the spaghetti. So 5 minutes is ready. So I will show you the right things later. Okay guys, my butter is boiled, sorry, and I'm putting my spaghetti. I love using my itomi like my spaghetti like this because I don't like cutting my spaghetti. I always leave it long so that when I'm eating it, I'll just be using the fork to be turning it, you know. This is how I love eating my spaghetti. You can do it the way you want, your own, as you prefer, okay? And I will cook the spaghetti for 7 minutes. 7 minutes is ready. Almost through with the spaghetti. In the next 2 minutes, I will remove it from fire. Okay, my spaghetti is already gone. Now I will add it inside the pot. Okay guys, as you can see, my food is ready. You see, I know this food will be delicious, very delicious. Let me have a taste. I put it again because so that when you are doing it, you have to let the sauce to get inside it. So sweet. This is why I love using this. It's long I'm not using it because when you use it with the seed, give more taste than the one they already peel. The one they already peel give taste, but this one give more taste. This is why I was like, let me use this one. Yesterday I just went to the supermarket and said I will use this one, just because of laziness that is making me not use this all the time. I love using this because I know that this have more taste, you know. So for real, if you really want a nice taste on your spaghetti, indomie, your pasta, guys, use this. Even though it's tomato sauce, you want to use it for your yam stew, use this. It's very nice. I consider you to use this, okay, because the taste is different than the one that I've already picked. Very nice taste. Thank you guys for joining me for today's video. See you for my next video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.